Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to redeem your Amazon credit card points. This is a great way to save money on your purchases by using the rewards you've accumulated through your credit card spending. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the cart icon. Click on it to view all the items currently in your cart. Now, if you happen to have multiple items in your cart but only want to purchase specific ones using your credit card points, you can simply uncheck the items you don't want to buy right now. This gives you control over which purchases you want to apply your rewards to. Once you've decided on the items you want to proceed with, look over to the right panel and click on Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout process where you'll finalize your purchase details. The next screen will prompt you to select your delivery address. Choose the address where you'd like your items shipped. This step ensures your order arrives at the correct location. Although I don't have any payment method saved in this demonstration, I'll show you exactly what to do next when you have your Amazon credit card linked. Once you're past the delivery address selection, you'll arrive at the payment method section. Here, click on Change Payment Method. This will display all your available payment options. From these options, select your Amazon credit card. This is the card that has accumulated the rewards points you want to use. After selecting your Amazon credit card, keep an eye out for an option that says Use Your Rewards Points. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option and you'll be presented with choices on how many points you want to apply to your current purchase. You can use all of your available points or just a portion of them depending on how much you want to offset from your total cost. Make your selection based on how many points you'd like to redeem. The system will automatically calculate how much your rewards will reduce the total purchase amount. Once you're satisfied with your point selection and everything looks correct, it's time to finalize your order. Click on Place Your Order to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon credit card points and saved money on your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.